What'd you say, Jay? I have 5 minutes? Did you know that studies show that students who engage regularly with their learning management system, like Canvas, are 40% more likely to earn a passing grade in their courses than those who don't? That's a pretty compelling reason to ensure we use Canvas effectively, right? Today, we'll check out the different views you can set for the Canvas gradebook. To access the gradebook, click Grades in the left-hand menu of Canvas. This is where you can track all student grades in one place. Canvas offers three gradebook views. This first view is called the traditional gradebook. It's the default. This view helps you quickly view and enter grades for all students. Depending on the grade display type, grades for each assignment can be viewed as points, percentages, complete or incomplete, GPA scale, or even letter grade. This gradebook view includes sorting options and settings to help you organize your gradebook by student names and assignment scores. To sort options, click on the three dots at the top of each column. It's important to note that the gradebook displays only published graded assignments, discussions, quizzes, and surveys. Unpublished or not graded assignments will not be included here. To access the individual view, click the arrow next to the gradebook and choose Individual Gradebook. Next, select the course you wish to view from the Select a Section dropdown. Then select the order to view the assignments from the Sort Assignments dropdown. You can choose alphabetical or by due date. I prefer by due date. Then from the content selection area below, select the student or assignment you wish to start with. I'll pick a student's name from the Select a Student dropdown to see how they're doing overall in my class. The student's name will then appear in the student information section along with their grades for my course. This option will allow you to visit, view, and assess individual student performance across all assignments. It's also helpful if you want to review students' progress over the entire course. There's a third gradebook view that is called the Learning Mastery view, which can be found here. With some extra planning for your course, the Learning Mastery gradebook view helps you and administrators assess the outcome standards used in Canvas courses. This gradebook view helps institutions measure student learning for accreditation and better assess their needs of their students. This is a little less commonly used, so I'm going to skip showing you how it works today, but please don't hesitate to get in touch with the TLC team to learn more about it. The Canvas gradebook views help you organize and filter information more effectively, making it easier to identify individual or class-wide performance trends, manage grading more efficiently, and provide targeted support. I encourage you to continue to experiment with the gradebook views and determine what works best for you to stay organized and informed. Thanks for watching this Canvas in 5 tutorial about the gradebook. I'll see you next month. In the meantime, happy grading.